This demonstration we're going to have a very quick look at working with the Exchange Management Shell. Before I get into that though, I'm just in the Exchange Management console. So I'm just going to quickly create a new distribution group. We're going to create it for my QA users. So QA users, alias we'll have as QA users as well. Click our next box, click our new box. This goes away, creates the distribution group by using an Exchange Management Shell. So really what I'm trying to demonstrate here is anything we do in this management console ports out to the management shell. So just finish that off, close this down and just launch up our Exchange Management Shell. So into the server tools, into management shell. Now the shell is quite handy for doing things like scripting or commands that we run on a regular basis or things that the GUI will not allow us to do. But the commandlets are fairly simple commandlets. We've got get-mailbox for example. So we've got our little verb and then a noun. So we do verb-noun. Comes back in the case of get-mailbox, just gives me a list of all of the mailboxes currently sit in my Exchange organization. Now what we can also do is we can use pipe commands, so we can do the query after the pipe, do something with that query. So for example, I want to format list to get lots and lots of information. And there you go, lots of information. We can also format exactly the data that we get out of the command by using the pipe command, so format table. Gives me some information relating to this command, so we can see the alias, the server name and the prohibit send quota. Now what I'm interested in is getting the names of the users plus their mailboxes that the users are associated with. So we'll use the format table again, but this time what we'll do, we'll specify the name of the users and then their database. Comes up, gives me user, gives me mailbox. We've also got get-help as another command which gives us information regarding various commands. So if I do get-help, and then what I'm interested in here is new-mailbox, because I want to create some users in a script. So that goes away. Takes a little while. First time we'll run it to come up with the help. So as we can see, it's come up with a list of options, and as you can see, there's hundreds of the things here. So if that's still not enough for you, what you can also do as well is you could do a -detailed, and that will give you a lot more information. So that goes away, it gives us detailed, and as you can see right down at the bottom here as well, I've also got examples that we can use. So for example, one of the things that the demo talks about is creating a new user. So we've got the new-mailbox command. We're going to specify a UPN within Active Directory of chris@contoso.com. His alias within Exchange will be Chris. The database will be the mailbox database 1. His name, full name, will be Chris Ashton. Organizational unit will be users. Password is coming from a variable, so at some point $password must have been defined. We've then got first name is Chris, last name is Ashton, display name is Chris Ashton, and he's going to have to reset his password on next login. So like I said, a very, very quick talk about the Exchange Management Shell.